Hi, this is a quick little video just to show you how to resize your images on free software and apps online that you can use. So right now I'm at pixlr.com and I'll put a link to this below the video. But before you upload images to your website, you need to resize them. So go to pixlr.com, scroll down, and we want to open the Pixlr editor, which is a web app. So here we are at the Pixlr editor, and this is a great resource. It's like your own little free mini Photoshop. You can do a ton of stuff with Pixlr. I used it for a long time before I ever got Photoshop. I use Photoshop now. But what we're going to do here is we've downloaded our image from Unsplash or Pexels or wherever. We want to open it up. And I am just going to use the image, the little screenshot that I took of the Pexels license. So I'm going to click on that, open, and it will bring my picture in. And there's two sort of sizes that I'm looking at. The first one is the dimensions, actually in pixels. So right here, this is 1840 by 653. I need to make that smaller. And the other one I'm looking at is the file size. And to find the file size, I'm going to click on File, Save. And here we can see right now this file is 2,000 kilobytes. We want our file to be no bigger than 70 kilobytes. So let's see if we can fix this. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to change the pixel size. So to do that, we want to go to Image, Image Size, and we want to change the pixels here. And depending on where you're putting your photo on your website, we'll decide on the dimensions. Generally, you're not going to need anything bigger than 1800, 1900 pixels wide, and that would be like for a big banner on your home page. For my blog post, I know that my post width size is right around 800. So I am going to just put 800 in there. And I want to keep this box checked because that means that it won't, like if I could change it and make it all wonky, it would change the width and the height of it. So okay, so now I've made it much smaller. You can see here. Now let's go see what that did to the file size. All right, now we're down to 471 kilobytes, but that's still too big. And the reason is because the format here is a .png. We don't need that. On your website, a JPEG is fine. So we're gonna click the JPEG, and now we're down to 45. Which is great. And if we even want to make it smaller, we can take the quality of this down to 70. And now we're down to 36 kilobytes. Perfect. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to save this to my computer. Oh, I already did it to test it, so we're going to replace it. And there we go. Now I have my image saved and it's resized. The pixel size is perfect for the place that I need to put it in my blog post. And the file size won't slow my computer down. So there you go. That's all you need to do before you upload images to your website. These are the steps you should take.